So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from VPropTrader. Firstly, open the VPropTrader platform or website, then enter your username and password to log in. Locate the funds or wallet section in your dashboard, then click on Withdraw or Withdrawal Request. Select your withdrawal method as bank transfer, PayPal or other supported regions. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then fill in any required information for your withdrawal method. Some withdrawals may require KYC. You may need to update or upload a government ID or a proof of address, and make sure all documents are clear and readable. Review the withdrawal details, then click Submit or Confirm Withdrawal. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.